In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva presentation to PowerPoint. If you've designed your slides in Canva and now need to present, share, or edit them in Microsoft PowerPoint, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish smoothly. First, log into your Canva account and open the presentation you want to download. Give your slides a quick review here in Canva. Check for any last-minute text, images, or layout tweaks so you export the most up-to-date version. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This opens all your export and sharing options in one place. From that menu, choose Download. If you see other sharing choices like links or collaboration invites, ignore those for now. We're focusing on saving a file to your computer. Next, in the file type options, select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. This is the modern PowerPoint format and will work on both Windows and Mac. Choosing .pptx ensures your slides can be edited later in PowerPoint, not just viewed. Before you finalize the download, decide whether you want all pages or just specific pages. If you need the full deck, pick all pages. If you only want a subset, maybe the intro and conclusion, select specific pages. This is helpful when you're tailoring a version for a particular audience without rebuilding the entire presentation. Now click Download. Canva will convert your design into a PowerPoint file. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Once it's done, the file will save to your default download location. If your browser prompts you to choose a folder, pick a spot you'll remember. Open your file in Microsoft PowerPoint by locating it in your downloads and double-clicking. If PowerPoint shows a security notice, choose to enable editing so you can make changes. Take a few minutes to review your slides in PowerPoint. Because Canva and PowerPoint handle fonts, animations, and certain design elements differently, you may notice slight shifts. A few tips to polish things up. Some custom or less common fonts might substitute to a default font on your computer, so verify headings and text for spacing and line breaks. Check image placements and cropping, as well as any transitions. Complex animations may simplify during conversion. If you know you'll export to PowerPoint often, aim for clean layouts, standard fonts, and minimal special effects in Canva for the most reliable results. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted your Canva presentation into a PowerPoint file for editing, presenting, or sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.